That was convenient. Yeah, that'd be the one shot. Alright guys, we got kind of a cool opportunity set up. See this truck cruising around back there? Well, we were just talking to Mr. Jim Leggett. He's a very good car photographer, works for magazines, does all kinds of cool stuff. I'm sure if you're watching the coverage of this show, you know who he is. So he's gonna go shoot that truck, and we're gonna go shoot him shooting that truck, basically. He said we can go back there and film it. Beautiful opportunity to learn some stuff from a master. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, they're setting up the shot here. Now the trick, I guess, is you gotta work with your lighting angle and stuff, right? So they're setting up the car, right, to get good angles. Now this camera that we're recording with right now is about to drop dead, no more power. So I'm gonna go as long as I can with that. Then we're gonna switch over to my cell phone, which actually has a pretty good camera, so I think we're gonna be okay. Good angle, good shot, but they got that ugly ass Mercedes ruining it.
Hey, we're doing a shoot here. So right now I don't care what's in the background, I just want to get you know, you basically I'm just gathering raw material to work with, and we'll work with that.
First right. Kyle work. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you gotta get through. Hey, oh, you made it. That's right. It's really, I made it.
Alright guys, battery died on the other camera, so we're switching to the cell phone, which is, it's pretty decent quality, so we're gonna be alright. Jim's hard at work here, taking pictures of the truck. He's explaining to me how he does this. Now, he starts with the lens that he takes shots from far away, long lens. That way he can get all kinds of crazy stuff in there. The focus, you know, those pictures where you get the background is blurry and the foreground is blurry. He can pull off that kind of stuff. Make just the subject, the truck, whatever he's photographing in focus. Pretty cool. The idea of what he does here is he's trying to make the guy move the truck as little as possible. So he's working with the light that he has now, which is amazing light. It's working good. So he's gonna work his way around the truck. And then the guy has to move, well, it'll be later on, and then he'll do his thing again. Changing from the two different lenses, just making epic photos. Check it out. What do you look for when you get like an angle like that here?
I'm looking just at the way the sun is going to hit it. I don't need it to be lit flat, but you see that where the cab curves, so the back of the cab is lighter than the door, because otherwise it would look really flat.
Okay, okay.
You just look for any weird shadows, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
You know, it's not going to be different for any particular reason. So I'm going to go back to the long lens and start again from far away, and then work my way in.
So there, hopefully that was a better explanation than what I could do. So, get it? Got it? Good. Trying to shoot this car, and then you don't want anything in the background, and there's all kinds of cars rolling through. If you look behind me, there's for some reason a parade coming through right now. Convenient. Yeah, you don't want shot that
It'll be
We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
This is
it's just use your eyes.
Yeah.
You know, like, do it till it looks what you like. And there's no secret formula. It's just observation and create the opportunity. You know, so I go find the guy that owns it, set it up, and then capitalize on it. But it's just mostly observation. Just look at it like it's already a photo.
Yeah.
And does that tickle your eye, or you kind of just no? You know, playing with a bit of the background. You don't want, like a lot of people do the graffiti background, like with tuners and stuff.
Yeah.
You'll lose the car if the car's got a busy wrap on it. You'll lose it into the wall. So I want something that'll
Get a good contrast off
it'll
of it.
be
kind of
there,
thing.
but it's not going to overpower the car.
Okay. Yeah.
This is just perfect. I just love this spot. It's got all these sheds for a nice depth of field. It looks, like I said, I was shooting close, and then I'll back up so that I have room for the headline, like the title,
Yeah.
and a place to throw in text or stuff like that. So you have to think, how's it going to be used? You don't want it too small because you're going to lose the details.
Yeah. It's hard to like get
But you don't want to
pixelated.
shoot too close, and then you've got no back. So now,
It's a balance.
yeah, exactly. That's the beauty of digital. When we were shooting film in the old days, you know, you had 36 exposures to get this right. You don't know until after if you did it right. So here you can just, don't be shy. You know, shoot wide, shoot close.
Yeah.
Just keep, and then see, the longer we've been here, the light is getting lower. It's getting richer. The colors are more saturated. So we're just now getting into the golden hour. So go with the shorter lens now. So from here, I'll get these built. Here.
Okay.
You know what? It's okay because these people deserve to be here too, just as much as we are. You don't ever throw anybody out.
Yeah.
This is pretty plain, reliable, but it's not something that we're really going to need to shoot.
Okay. You're looking for the really crazy one-off kind of stuff.
Yeah, exactly. And there's nothing wrong with plain because it'll get them home.
Yeah.
But you
For
know,
a photo.
you kind of want to be flattering to the builder. You're not bullshitting about it, but you want to show their best side.
Sure.
This is a beautiful truck. It's really nicely done. It's not overdone. You know, there's not 18 chrome skulls on it, and it's
Yeah. Very
top
nice.
mile.
No, that's an interior. Try to sneak a little shot so I don't get in Jim's way when he starts taking the good photos. Yeah.
That's where a hot rod will fall apart. It really shows what's what.
So he's just about wrapping up now, and what he's doing is he's finding small little details. Jim has a good eye for this. He can find stuff on this truck, on the build, that just set it apart from everything else, and it makes for a really cool photo album when it's all said and done. This guy's a master at the craft. Truly an honor to be able to be here and learn from him and check out what he's doing and see the master live in action. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Yeah, for sure. So that was cool. We got to watch Jim do a shoot for an actual magazine. So he's gonna send it to his editors. He's gonna have a write-up done. We're gonna get in contact with him. There's bugs out here. You're gonna get in contact with the dude, have a write-up, all the details about the truck. Super awesome experience. If you're watching, thanks Jim.